I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Ilang tulog na lang ay mapapanood na nga natin ang Meet, Greet and Buy at talagang inaabangan na nga rin ang premiere night ito. Pero ito na nga guys ang interview ni Direk Cathy dito patungkol sa ating Bel Mariano na talaga namang hinangaan nga ng lahat, sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
Kasi nagkatrabaho ko siya ng pautik-utik. Never na isang pelikula. Konting Love is Colorblind. Nag-talk ako sa kanila nung Rise artist sila. I was a part of the creative ng He's Into Her. Can't Buy Me Love na ilang araw ko rin siyang nagdirect. Pero ganun lang, never full. Ito yung first time. And pakakilala ko kay Bel ay isang fragile na bata na parang teeny bopper. Kasi ang bata pa talaga niya nakilala ko siya before pa siya mag-debut. So, sabi ko, ibahin natin, Bel. Ayaw ko makita yan. Anong kalamyaan mo? Yan. Hindi lamyaan. Ano ito? Ang nipis kasi. Parang nipis-nipis ni Bel. Pag nag-aarutan nga sila ng magkakapatid siya, uy, maawa naman kayo kay Bel. Baka magkalasog-lasog yung bata. But that's how I see her. Very fragile. Sabi ko, but I want you strong. I want you to embody the new generation. Diba ang Gen Z ngayon, they have stronger paniniwala, may conviction silang sarili, highly principled, and ganyan. So sabi ko, ikaw ang magiging boses nila. Hindi siya ganun kadali sa kanya. I had to give her pegs like, gayahin mo ako, gayahin mo ganito, si ganyan. That's why I said she was a revelation because there were many scenes na natuwang-tuwa ako how she delivered them. One is the one on the trailer. Two is watch out for the scene, the tracking scene with him and Piolo. With her and Piolo, sabi ko, it's one of my favorites, if not my favorite. Acting piece niya doon. Sabi ko, walang sinabi halos, one-liners, pero I felt her. And, tsaka ngayon, pag-aral na lang, Bel! Alam niya na yun. Kasi minsan lumalabas yung Bel. Matinis kasi boses ni Bel. Matinis na madaldal. Ganun siya eh. As alam na niya. As, yeah. Because the main difference, she's a sponge. As I have said before. She learns quickly. Talino eh. Sabi ko nga eh, acting talaga may kasamang talino yan eh. Hindi pwedeng, wala nun. Kasi hindi mo maintindihan eh. So, I am very proud of her in this film. She might not have those fancy scenes of, long monologues and but